Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna do a voiceover and teach you how to draw an eyebrow perfectly. So let's start our video. So first thing we should do is to get a piece of paper to draw anything. Then we should take a pencil which is suitable for drawing first. I'm taking HB pencil which may be suitable for drawing a sketch. So let's draw the sketch of the eyebrow. Drawing the sketch of the eyebrow is not that difficult and everyone can do it easily. So first thing we should do is to draw a perfect sketch of the eyebrow. First we have to practice that how to draw the individual hair. Hair from the bottom must be thick and they will be thin at the upper part. So try to draw every kind of hair in any shape and in any form of way they are going, just like that. Drawing a hair like that is really a wrong way. That doesn't look like a hair at all. We usually assume that eyebrows are in this form and we first draw the hairs like this, and then in that way may sometimes notice your own eyebrows that hairs are really in this way. So you have to draw the hairs in the same way, then it will be drawn perfect. So first make sure that your pencil is sharp enough to draw the thin hairs. As I told you before, so start drawing with very small hairs in the beginning, and then we will draw the long hairs from these hairs. Taking these hairs as the base. Assuming the path of way in which they are going is really important, because if you don't notice that or don't even assume that, your eyebrow will not be perfect. It will look like a piece of trash. So once you have drawn the light hairs, you may remove the parts which you think are overfilled, and then we should take a dark pencil to draw the next hairs and do more detailings. And here I am taking a 2B pencil to draw a little bit more light hairs, and yes, looking good. After using the 2B, I'm gonna use the 4B to give more detailings and to draw the dark hairs as our eyebrows are actually, or to make it more real. It is looking like an eyebrow still, but to make it perfect we should do that. Make sure to keep every hair spaced apart, otherwise they will look like you're doing a shading, not drawing hairs. Now carefully elongate the hair which are already drawn. I hope you are learning well from that video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like that, and like the video, make it viral. I will be pleased. Leave good comments, I will read them and give a good reply soon. And if you think the hairs are not going well, they're not looking good, then you can remove that part which is not looking good and draw it again. Don't disheart ever. Keep on doing and practicing. I also learned doing art after 1 year practice. I used to do the one sketch every day at least, and then I learned a lot after 2 years, and I am doing better than before, really. Oh, I didn't even realize it's done now. So guys, it's time to end the video, and it's looking perfect and good. I hope you'll learn it by practicing. So wait for the next video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.